guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new Catch a Monster Tips and Tricks video on Roblox. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get legendary traits super fast, along with the best AFK farming spot for getting all tiers of traits in the game. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. First of all, head over to the teleport zone and simply teleport to Dunevale Island. Once you're here, make your way to the place where ROBLOX spawns. Now, all you have to do is stand right here and AFK farm. This is honestly the best trait farming location in the entire game. Since monsters keep spawning around this area, you have a much better chance of getting good traits while farming here. And just look at this. As you guys can see on the screen, these are all the traits I got from this spot. It only took me around 30 minutes of farming, which is actually insane. So if you're trying to get legendary or even other high-tier traits as quickly as possible, I highly recommend using this location. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Catch a Monster guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.